In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fing app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will recognize the Play Store icon as a colorful triangle. It's usually located on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the app will load up, displaying a wide array of applications. This step is crucial as the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android. By accessing it, you ensure that you are getting the legitimate version of Fing. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want to download. Tap the search bar and it will become active, allowing you to type. Take your time to ensure you type correctly, as this will help you find the app quickly. Properly entering the name is essential to avoid confusion with similar apps. Once you are ready, start typing. Now type Fing into the search bar. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below. These suggestions can help you find the app faster. When you see Fing pop up, it's a good sign that you are on the right track. This search process is necessary as it helps you narrow down the options to find exactly what you need. Once you have entered the name, look for the app titled Fing Network Tools by Fing Limited. This is the official app you are looking for. It's important to ensure that you are selecting the correct app, as there may be other similar ones in the search results. You can identify the right one by checking the developer name. Selecting the official app will ensure you get the best features and support. After selecting the Fing app, you will see an install button. Tap on it to begin the installation process. This action prompts your device to download and install the app. It's essential to give this a moment as the app is being downloaded. You may see a progress bar indicating the status of the download. This is important because it shows you that the installation is underway and you will soon have access to the app. Now wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this time, it is a good opportunity to review what the app offers in the description below. Knowing what to expect can enhance your experience once the app is installed. Once the download is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tap on this button to launch the Fing app for the first time. This step is crucial as it allows you to start using the app immediately. You will be greeted with the app's interface, which is designed for easy navigation. Opening the app right away helps you familiarize yourself with its features. Next, you may be prompted to sign in or create a Fing account. This step is optional, but having an account can enhance your experience by saving your settings and preferences. If you choose to sign in, follow the on-screen instructions. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as having an account can simplify your access to additional features. After that, allow the requested permissions if prompted. Fing may ask for permissions to access your network settings, which is necessary for the app to function correctly. Granting these permissions is important because it enables Fing to scan your network and provide you with accurate information. Finally, you are ready to start scanning and managing your network. This is the exciting part where you can explore all the features Fing has to offer. You will see the app's dashboard, displaying all your network devices. The official app is available on Google Play and has over 50 million downloads. Enjoy your experience with Fing.